In today's video, I'll teach you how to send photos and videos in original quality in Telegram. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Telegram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is simply tap on the chat of the person whom you want to send the photos and videos. Once you do that, that particular chat will be opened up. So in order to send the photos and videos, what you have to do is look at the message bar. Right over here, you'll be able to find the clip icon, tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to send the photos and videos. What you have to do is simply tap on the photos and videos that you would like to send in original quality. Here I'm just going to tap on any of the photo. Now once you do that, if you normally send it, the quality of the photo or video will be lost. But if you want to send it in the original quality, what you have to do is send this photo or video as the file. In order to do that, tap on the three dots that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for send as file. Tap on it. Now you can see over here it is being sent. The photo or video will not be compressed and it will be sent as file. Now when they open the photo or video, the quality will not be lost. So like this, you'll be able to send the photos and videos in the original quality. So that is how you send photos and videos in original quality in Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.